Hello everyone, I am Mr. Ray. Today we'll be finding the quadratic equation from the given root. Okay, let alpha and beta be the root of a quadratic equation, and we have it in this form: x plus alpha x minus beta is equals to 0. So here we say either x plus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus alpha is equal to 0, and we say if x plus alpha is equals to 0, x is equals to minus alpha. Taking alpha from the left hand side to the right hand side, it changes from positive to negative. And if x minus beta is equals to 0, x is equals to beta, and we conclude that x is equals to minus alpha or beta. Alpha here is minus, but when it was in the bracket, it was plus. It has to cross an equality sign to the other side. So it is negative here, but positive in the bracket. And beta is positive here, but negative in the bracket because it crosses over the equality sign and the sign changes. So if we are to return this back to the bracket, we can just open two brackets here, put x here, put x here, and say this alpha that is negative here, taking it back to the bracket, it will be positive. And beta that is positive here, taking it back to this bracket, it will now be what? Negative. We will now have this. So from the root, we can now get to this point. So similarly, the first step to do here is to open two brackets, put x here, put x here, equate it to 0. 3 is positive here, it will be negative here. 2 all over 3 is positive here, it will be negative here. Then we open the bracket. X times x is x squared. X times minus 2 all over 3 is same as minus 2 all over 3x. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2 all over 3. Minus times minus is plus. Then here we have 3 times 2 over 3 is equals to 0. 3 will cancel out 3. And this is reduced to x squared minus 2 over 3x minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. But here we still have an equation with fraction, and we clear fraction by multiplying each term by the LCM of the denominators, which is 3. So this becomes 3x squared minus 3 times 2 all over 3x minus 3 times 3x plus 3 times 2 is equal to 3 times 0. So here we have 3x squared minus 3 will cancel 3, 2x. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 9x plus 6 is equal to 0. And finally, because we have the like terms here, minus 2x minus 9x is minus 11x, and the final equation becomes 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. So that's the quadratic equation whose roots are 3 and 2 all over 3.